This week brings a major financial milestone for millions of Americans who rely on Social Security as a primary source of income. As part of the Social Security Administration's SSA scheduled disbursements for May, individuals with birthdays falling between the 11th and 20th of any month are set to receive their payments on Wednesday. These payments are vital for retirees, individuals with disabilities, and survivors who depend on consistent, reliable income to cover everyday expenses, like housing, healthcare, and groceries. For some recipients, this week's deposits could exceed $5,000, reflecting a lifetime of high earnings and delayed retirement, which leads to higher monthly benefits. Social Security has been a cornerstone of American economic stability for nearly 90 years, currently supporting over 70 million people through retirement, disability, and survivor benefits. Despite changes in the economy and debates around future reforms, the system remains consistent in its mission to provide dependable income for those who have contributed throughout their working lives. How payment dates are determined. The SSA schedules payments based on birth dates to improve efficiency and ease the burden on processing systems. By spacing out payments throughout the month, the agency can handle large volumes of transactions while minimizing delays. This week, beneficiaries born between the 11th and 20th will see their funds deposited on Wednesday. However, recipients of Supplemental Security Income, SSI, are not included in this wave. They received their payments earlier this month. The SSA advises waiting at least 3 business days after your scheduled payment date before reporting any delays, as banks and financial institutions may take additional time to process deposits. How payment amounts are calculated. Monthly Social Security payments vary based on 2 primary factors: lifetime earnings and the age at which you begin claiming benefits. As of early 2025, the average retirement benefit is around $1,976 per month. Those who claim benefits at age 62 may receive up to $2,831 monthly. Waiting until full retirement age, around 67, could result in payments of $4,318. Those who delay benefits until age 70 and have earned it or above the taxable maximum could qualify for the maximum benefit of $5,118 per month. These larger payments are typically received by high earners with long work histories who wait until the latest possible age to retire. For most people, however, benefit amounts are more modest, but no less crucial. Supplemental Security Income, SSI provides income for individuals with limited earnings or resources, particularly those with disabilities or who haven't been able to work full-time. In 2025, the federal maximum SSI payment is $967 for individuals and $1,450 for couples, though actual payments may vary depending on living arrangements, additional income, and state-level supplements. Cost of Living Adjustment, COLA. Each year, Social Security benefits are adjusted for inflation through the Cost of Living Adjustment, COLA. In 2025, a 2.5% COLA increase helped recipients keep up with rising costs in areas like healthcare and housing. Looking ahead, the projected COLA for 2026 is around 2.4%, reflecting slower inflation and greater economic stability. The SSA will announce the final figure in October 2025 after reviewing Consumer Price Index data. Upcoming payment dates. As May continues, more payments are scheduled. May 28th, payments for those born between the 21st and 31st Street. May 30th, early SSI payment for June, since June 1st falls on a weekend. These carefully timed disbursements help recipients plan their finances with greater certainty, avoiding disruptions in essential expenses. Why Social Security matters. Social Security remains one of the most trusted and relied upon institutions in the U.S., delivering not just monthly checks, but peace of mind. These payments are often the only source of income for many older adults, making timely delivery essential for covering basic living costs. Even for those receiving smaller amounts, these benefits can mean the difference between stability and hardship. The birth date-based payment system also reduces administrative strain and helps beneficiaries organize their monthly budgets more effectively. The bigger picture. While discussions about Social Security's long-term sustainability continue, the program remains strong for current beneficiaries. Any future reforms are likely to be implemented gradually to avoid disrupting payments for those already retired or nearing retirement. Importantly, Social Security is not a handout. it's a return on years of contributions through payroll taxes. For many Americans, each deposit is a reminder that the system they paid into is fulfilling its promise. The flexibility to choose when to begin receiving benefits also empowers people to tailor their retirement strategy based on their health and financial needs. Whether claimed early or delayed until age 70, the program adapts to individual circumstances. Beyond retirement, Social Security also supports survivors and disabled individuals, extending its impact beyond traditional retirement. Survivor benefits help families cope with the loss of a loved one, while disability benefits provide critical support for those unable to work. COLA adjustments help ensure these benefits retain their value over time, even as prices rise. While modest, these annual increases help maintain purchasing power for millions of recipients. A promise fulfilled as the final disbursements for May approach, these payments serve as a powerful reminder of Social Security's enduring role in American life. For those who have contributed to society through work, the program offers dignity, financial support, and a dependable safety net. Each deposit reaffirms a national commitment to shared responsibility and collective support, a promise that remains as important today as it was nearly a century ago.